Okay, sorry for the road noise, but I just wanted to show you this. The black plastic trim, this is a 2010 F-150. It has almost 200,000 miles. It's 11 years old. And my black trim was very faded. Really faded. Look at it now. Looks brand new. This stuff looks, this looks good. This looks real good. Now, I just put this on yesterday, and I'm going to show you what I used. And I tell you, man, I'm pretty happy. I'm telling you. Now, I mean, I did everything. Everything was faded. It was all faded. All the black trim was faded. But it's looking good now. I mean, this thing's looking good. And here is what I used. Black wood stain, and particularly Varathane. I tried a little Minwax. I was doing some tester samples, and I tried Minwax, but that stuff works good. That stuff worked good. It worked better, let's put it that way. The Minwax worked pretty good, but man, that stuff right there, all that clear stuff you put on there, oh, it may protect it, but it doesn't blacken. It doesn't get the black back. So, I mean, man, this thing looks pretty damn good. This thing looks pretty good. Now, this is actually metal. And I got a little bit of streakiness in there and spottiness. Of course, it rained today, stupid me. But it's gotten pretty dry. But I'll just put it on with a paintbrush. But you do need to like get a paper towel and kind of wipe the excess off. But I didn't do that yesterday. I just put it on with a paintbrush. Tried not to put it on too thick. And yesterday afternoon, after it dried a little bit, I wiped a little with a paper towel. And I mean, a lot of black will come off. However, this is the next day, and you do have to be careful touching it for, I'm talking a couple of days, a day for sure. The black will come off on your fingers. So I just got paper towels. And of course, it started to sprinkle today. I didn't bother looking at the weather forecast. It was a nice day yesterday. But anyway, it's doing okay. We'll see how long it lasts. So, of course, I will make an update on this. But man, I'm telling you what, that is black. And it's a satin finish. It's a black satin. And it looks pretty dadgum good. I mean, like I say, I do not know how long this will last. I do not know if there's any adverse effects coming my way. If there are, I'm in big trouble. But this stuff was so faded looking, and I tried that clear stuff, and it doesn't get it black again. This, man, this is black. This has got it all. This is like showroom. That is showroom black right there. And this thing was faded. It was faded bad. And man, I'm telling you, that put the black color right back in this thing. And it's that right there. And I mean, yeah, so far, I'm telling you, man, I don't know. So far, I'm pretty happy. I'm pretty daggum happy. So anyway, I guess that's all I can say for now. There's nothing else I can do except give you an update next week, next month, and we'll see. I hope this lasts a long time, and to be honest, I kind of think it will. I mean, to be honest, what else are you going to do? You know, that clear stuff, it doesn't turn it black. You can put it on there, and I guess you can use like the tire sheen stuff, but you know, this turns it black. This blackens it. There's what I used right there. Classic black, Varathane wood stain. And I'm happy. So far, so good. So anyway, if you've got an old faded, you know, car, I mean, especially if it's an old junker, hell, put this on there. I guarantee it works. All right, talk to you later. Bye-bye.